Yeah, so it's only a few months back that we were in this exact room, and Ian Gibson, he shared his vision for a university-wide AI institute. A lot of work has gone behind the scenes, and in May, our institute was formally recognized as a UNSW Institute. And today it brings me great pleasure to welcome you all in this particular event. And the backdrop of this particular institute is that UNSW has traditionally had great expertise in AI, machine learning, and data sciences. We have 300 strong faculty members who are either working directly in AI fundamental research or they're applying AI techniques to various application domains. We have leadership in many research areas in AI, but what was really astounding when I started looking into our group of members that we have representation from all faculties. So the goal of our particular institute is that we want to promote interdisciplinary research excellence. We want to participate in public debate. Toby's bookstall will be right at the back during this break. We want to play a role in coordinating standards and activities, and most importantly, we just want to make sure that we want to maximize on our strengths. We capitalize and maximize our impact, and really make it easy for the rest of the world. We have several people from corporate sector, industry who are here. We wanted to make it easy for them to engage with us in terms of research and commercialization. So before I proceed, I'd just like to thank our core leadership. This couldn't have been done without their support. So we have several deputy directors who are already in the audience. Please feel free to meet them. I won't take all the names separately, but I'd really like to thank all of them. A lot of work has gone behind the scenes to get this started. And as you can see, we have representation from various faculties. And apart from that, we've also set up an external advisory committee, which will be led by Dr. John Whittle. And you'll soon hear more about the national AI scene from Stella Solar, who is the director of the National AI Center. And with this, I'll just ask Toby to make a few other remarks on our